do treat adults. A lot of people think it's just kids that come here. It's not. It's their parents, and we want to make it known that we treat everybody. You know, I cannot underscore how important it is to have a really nice smile in today's world. This is technically half your face when you really look at it. So it is bang for the buck. It's the best money you can spend on yourself, because that's the first thing people are going to look at. That can go a long way to, you know, just the image that you're projecting to the world. You know, as long as your teeth are strong, you know, as long as you don't have periodontal issues. I mean, the oldest person I've treated so far is 83. You're never too old for braces.